Weekly cleaning routine that actually works. Stop wasting your weekends. Your weekends should be for relaxing, not scrubbing floors. But somehow, every Saturday turns into a cleaning marathon. Sound familiar? I'm Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and I'm about to share something that changed everything for me. Professional cleaners don't spend their weekends buried in housework, and neither should you. Nobody wants to waste a beautiful weekend stuck inside doing chores. After spending way too many gorgeous days cleaning bathrooms and washing floors, I reached out to professional cleaning experts to figure out their secrets. How do they keep their homes spotless without sacrificing their free time? The answer surprised me. They don't work harder, they work smarter. I talked with Jennifer Mason, who founded ClearSpace Solutions, and Rebecca Chen, who runs EcoFresh Products. These professionals shared their personal weekly cleaning routines, and these strategies completely transformed how I maintain my home.
Strategy 1. Create a simple daily routine. Here's the biggest secret the pros shared with me. If you want to avoid spending your entire weekend cleaning, you need to handle the basics every single day. Just a little bit each evening makes a massive difference. Jennifer Mason told me to build a nighttime reset routine focusing on the spaces that get the most action: your kitchen, your front door area, and your living room. Handle these spots every evening and you'll be amazed at the difference. She suggested starting this reset in the late afternoon before dinner even starts cooking. I tried this approach and honestly, it's been a game changer. I spend about 15 minutes each evening, usually right after I get home or before I start making dinner. During this time, I tackle the quick stuff, putting away items that have wandered out of place, wiping down the kitchen counter, straightening up the couch cushions. Those 15 minutes feel like nothing, but the impact is incredible. My home looks presentable every morning when I wake up. There's no clutter greeting me at breakfast, no dishes piled in the sink, no jackets thrown over chairs. This daily reset doesn't mean deep cleaning. You're not scrubbing grout or moving furniture. You're simply maintaining order in the spaces you use most. Think of it like brushing your teeth, a small daily habit that prevents bigger problems down the road. The kitchen usually needs the most attention. I make sure the counters are clear, the dishes are either washed or in the dishwasher, and the table is wiped down. In the living room, I fluff the pillows, fold any blankets, and pick up anything that doesn't belong there. The entryway is often overlooked, but it makes such a difference. I hang up coats, put shoes on the rack, and sort through any mail or papers that have accumulated. This area is the first thing you see when you walk in, so keeping it tidy sets the tone for your entire home. Get your family involved in this nightly routine. Everyone who lives in your home can help with these quick tasks. Even young grandchildren can pitch in by putting their toys away or carrying their dishes to the sink.
Strategy 2. Assign one extra task to each day. Once you've got your daily basics covered, the next step is spreading out your bigger cleaning tasks throughout the week. This is how professionals avoid that dreaded weekend cleaning marathon. Rebecca Chen explained that you shouldn't try to clean your entire house in one exhausting session. Break it up. Give each day of the week its own specific job. This makes everything feel manageable instead of overwhelming. Rebecca shared her weekly task schedule with me, and I've been following a similar plan ever since. Monday, vacuum day. Focus on high-traffic areas. Run your vacuum through the hallways, living room, and entryway. You don't need to move all the furniture. Just hit the main paths where dirt accumulates most. Tuesday, kitchen deep clean. Go beyond your daily counter wipe down. Clean your stovetop thoroughly, wipe down cabinet handles, tackle the backsplash, and give your appliances attention. This is also a great day to clean out your refrigerator and toss expired food. Wednesday, bathroom day. Clean all your bathroom surfaces. Scrub the sink and faucet, wipe down the mirror, clean the toilet inside and out, and tackle the bathtub or shower. Don't forget to wipe down shelves or countertops where products sit. Thursday, laundry day. Do 1 or 2 loads of laundry to keep from falling behind. Fold and put away everything you wash. Staying on top of laundry prevents that overwhelming pile that takes hours to sort through on the weekend. Friday, trash and recycling. Empty all the trash cans throughout your house, not just the kitchen. Take out the recycling too. If your bins are looking dirty or smelly, give them a quick rinse. Replace all the trash bags so you start the weekend fresh. Saturday, bedding day. Strip your bed and wash all your sheets and pillowcases. While those are in the wash, also throw in any bath towels that need cleaning. There's something wonderful about climbing into bed with fresh, clean sheets on Saturday night. Sunday, quick declutter. Walk through your main living spaces and put away anything that's out of place. Clear off your kitchen counters, tidy up your bedroom nightstand, and organize any piles that have formed during the week. Jennifer Mason has a slightly different approach, but the principle is the same. She starts Monday with mopping and sweeping all hard floors. Tuesday is for tidying and putting items back where they belong. Wednesday means wiping down counters, mirrors, and cabinet fronts throughout the house. Thursday combines spot cleaning bathrooms with emptying all trash bins. Friday is fresh linen day for both beds and towels. Saturday involves restocking groceries and household items, plus a quick pantry organization. Sunday is for sorting through bags and organizing toys. Make your schedule visible. Rebecca suggests either putting a checklist on your refrigerator or setting up reminders on your phone. I use a simple chart held up with a magnet, and I check off each task as I complete it. There's something satisfying about making that check mark. Life happens, and some weeks you'll need to handle a task on a different day than planned. That's perfectly fine. The schedule gives you structure, but it's not set in stone. Rebecca emphasized keeping things realistic and staying flexible. Some weeks, certain areas need more attention. Other weeks, you can skip something or just do a quick touch-up. The beauty of this system is that you're never faced with a completely dirty house. By spreading tasks throughout the week, each room gets attention regularly. You're maintaining cleanliness rather than fighting against weeks of accumulated mess.
Strategy 3. Don't forget the hidden cleaning tasks. Some messes are obvious. You can't miss dirty dishes or a toilet that needs scrubbing. But professional cleaners know that truly spotless homes require attention to less visible tasks too. These hidden cleaning jobs might not seem urgent because they're not right in your face, but neglecting them makes your home feel less fresh overall. Both Jennifer and Rebecca shared commonly forgotten tasks that deserve regular attention. Inside the microwave. When was the last time you cleaned inside your microwave? Food splatters build up quickly and can start to smell. Once a week, wipe down the inside thoroughly. For stubborn stains, heat a bowl of water with lemon slices for a few minutes, then wipe everything clean. High-touch surfaces. We touch certain items constantly. Door handles, light switches, TV remotes, phone chargers. These surfaces collect oils and germs from our hands. Once a week, go through your home with disinfecting wipes and clean all these frequently touched spots. Cabinet and appliance fronts. You probably wipe down your counters regularly, but what about the front of your cabinets or your refrigerator door? These vertical surfaces get splattered and smudged too. Add them to your weekly cleaning rotation. Hand towels and dishcloths. These items can start to smell musty if they're not changed frequently enough. Replace your hand towels and dishcloths at least once a week, more often if they get especially dirty. Always have clean backups ready. Inside the refrigerator. Every week, do a quick wipe down of your refrigerator shelves. Check expiration dates and toss anything that's gone bad. This prevents spills from becoming stuck-on messes and keeps your fridge smelling fresh.
pet beds and toys. If you have furry friends, their beds and toys need regular cleaning too. Wash pet bedding weekly to control odors and reduce allergens. Wipe down or wash pet toys as well. Under area rugs. Dirt and debris can collect under area rugs, especially near entrances. Once a week, lift up your smaller rugs and vacuum underneath them. This prevents grit from scratching your floors. I'll admit, I wasn't doing most of these tasks before talking to the experts. My microwave was pretty gross, and I couldn't remember the last time I'd wiped down a light switch. But adding these items to my weekly rotation has made a noticeable difference. My home feels cleaner and smells fresher. The trick is working these tasks into your daily schedule naturally. I clean my microwave on Tuesday when I'm already deep cleaning the kitchen. I wipe down high-touch surfaces on Wednesday during my general wipe-down day. I wash pet beds on Saturday with my other bedding.
Strategy 4. Finish what you start. This tip might seem simple, but it's surprisingly easy to mess up. When your home needs attention, you might feel pulled in multiple directions at once. You start cleaning the bathroom, notice the bedroom needs vacuuming, head in there with the vacuum, then remember the kitchen floor needs mopping too. Before you know it, you've got 3 half-finished cleaning projects happening at once. The bathroom is partly cleaned but not finished, the bedroom is half vacuumed, the mop is sitting in the kitchen with a bucket of water, but the job hasn't been done. Your whole house ends up looking like a work in progress. Jennifer Mason stressed the importance of completing one area entirely before moving on to another. Otherwise, your home has that unfinished feeling everywhere. Nothing looks quite done, and you feel like you're constantly cleaning without ever being finished. I used to be terrible about this. I'd start in one room, get distracted, and wander off to tackle something else that caught my attention. By the end of my cleaning session, I'd have touched every room, but fully finished none of them. It was frustrating and demoralizing. Now I follow a much better approach. When I commit to cleaning the bathroom, I clean the entire bathroom before I leave. That means scrubbing the toilet, wiping the sink and counter, cleaning the mirror, tackling the shower or tub, wiping down any shelves, taking out the trash, and replacing the hand towel. Only when every part of that bathroom is finished do I move on. This strategy has multiple benefits. First, you get the satisfaction of seeing a completely clean space. Walking out of a fully cleaned bathroom feels great. You accomplished something and you can see the results. Second, you don't create a trail of unfinished work throughout your home. Each space is either clean or not yet started, rather than everything being in some halfway state. Third, this approach actually saves time. When you focus on one area completely, you're more efficient. You're not walking back and forth between rooms. You're not trying to remember what you already did in each space. You have all your supplies with you, and you're in the cleaning mindset for that particular area. If you find yourself getting distracted easily, try setting a timer. Tell yourself you'll work on the bathroom for 20 minutes without interruption. When the timer goes off, you can take a break or move to a different room. Another helpful strategy is keeping your cleaning supplies in a portable caddy. Fill it with everything you need: cleaning sprays, scrub brushes, rags, garbage bags. When you're cleaning the bathroom, bring the whole caddy in with you. You won't need to leave the room to fetch another supply, which reduces the chance of getting sidetracked.
Strategy 5. Get everyone involved. Here's the ultimate secret that professional cleaners know. You don't have to do everything yourself. A clean home is easier to maintain when everyone who lives there helps out. Jennifer explained that cleaning doesn't fall on one person's shoulders. Even young children can contribute. When everyone participates, you'll notice a shift in mindset. Instead of people just putting things down wherever, they start putting things away in their proper places. This concept transformed how my household operates. Instead of feeling like I was the only one responsible for keeping things clean, I got everyone involved. We divided up the tasks based on ability and schedule. Even young children can handle certain cleaning jobs. They can sort clean laundry into piles by family member.
They can help unload the dishwasher, handling the plastic containers and utensils, while adults deal with sharp knives and breakable dishes. They can sweep floors with a child-sized broom. They can be responsible for keeping their own spaces tidy, like their bedroom or play area. Teenagers and adult family members can take on bigger responsibilities. Maybe one person handles all the vacuuming each week. Another person might be in charge of bathroom cleaning. Someone else might take responsibility for the kitchen after meals. The key is assigning specific tasks to specific people. When everyone knows their job, the work gets done more reliably. There's no confusion about who's supposed to do what. I created a simple chore chart that lists everyone's name and their assigned weekly tasks. We review it together at the beginning of each week. If someone has an especially busy week coming up, we adjust the assignment so the work is distributed fairly. Here's what I've noticed since implementing this system. Our home stays cleaner with much less effort from any single person. When 6 hands are working instead of just 2, tasks get finished quickly. What might have taken me 2 hours to accomplish alone now gets done in 45 minutes with everyone helping. But beyond the time savings, there's been a bigger shift in how everyone treats our shared spaces. When you're responsible for cleaning something, you tend to keep it cleaner in the first place. My family members are more careful about putting things away immediately because they know they'll be the ones dealing with the mess later if they don't. Children especially benefit from learning these habits young. They're developing life skills that will serve them well when they eventually have their own homes. They're learning that maintaining a living space is everyone's responsibility. Don't feel guilty about asking for help. You're not being lazy or demanding. You're teaching valuable lessons about responsibility and teamwork. You're also protecting your own time and energy so you can spend it on things that truly matter. If you live alone, you can still apply this principle by being strategic about what you tackle yourself versus what you might hire out. Maybe a cleaning service comes once a month for the deep tasks while you handle the weekly maintenance.
Conclusion. You deserve to enjoy your weekend. Your days off shouldn't disappear into endless cleaning marathons. By following these 5 strategies from professional cleaners, you can maintain a fresh, tidy home while still having plenty of time for the activities you actually enjoy. Remember the key principles. Establish a simple daily routine that keeps your high-traffic areas under control. Spread your bigger cleaning tasks throughout the week. Don't forget those hidden cleaning tasks that make the difference between a surface-level clean and a truly fresh home. Finish what you start before moving on, and get everyone in your household involved. I've been using these strategies for several months now, and the difference has been remarkable. My weekends are actually mine again. I spend Saturday mornings at the farmer's market instead of scrubbing bathrooms. I enjoy Sunday afternoons in my garden instead of being trapped inside with a mop. And here's the beautiful part. My home is actually cleaner now than it was when I spent entire weekends cleaning. That's because I'm maintaining it consistently throughout the week, rather than letting everything pile up and then trying to tackle it all at once. These straightforward strategies actually work. No complicated tricks, no expensive products, just smart planning and consistent effort that doesn't consume your entire weekend.